Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 9th chapter areas of parallelograms and triangles. Already 2 exercises I have completed. Third exercise I am doing. In that 7th and 8th sum I have given in the description box. You can check. 9th sum. The side AB of a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Side AB is produced to any point P. So this AB is produced to the point P. A line through A and parallel to CP. A line through A and parallel to CP. So CP and a line parallel through A and the parallel to CP and through A it is drawn meets CB at Q. Meets CB at Q. So CB is also extended to Q. So in this it is given AQ is parallel to CP and then ABCD is also a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is produced to P and CP is parallel to AQ. Means produced at Q. And then parallelogram PBQR. Parallelogram PBQR. So this is also a parallelogram. PBQR is completed. So when you do all these extension, this PBQR will be a parallelogram. We will get a parallelogram there also. PBQR is also a parallelogram. ABCD, it is given that it is already a parallelogram. CP is parallel to AQ. PBQR is a parallelogram. Show that ABCD is equal to area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. So these two areas are equal, ABCD and PBQR. So these two areas are equal, that only we are asked to prove. So we are asked to prove that ABCD and PBQR are equal. Their areas should be equal, that only we are asked to prove. So for proving this, we will join AC and PQ. AC and PQ we will join. So first one, construction. So what we are constructing for proving the given thing, that is for proving area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR, we will join construction. Join AC and QP. Join AC and QP. Okay, why we are joining this is, in the question it is given AQ is parallel to CP. Okay, these two are parallel lines. In the question it is given AQ and CP are parallel to each other, they are telling. So, we will get two triangles here, that is triangle ACQ, this triangle ACQ and triangle APQ. So, we get two triangles here. So, these two triangles are between the parallel AQ and CP and with the same base AQ. So, the base is equal between the same parallels. So, both the triangles have the same area. So, both the triangles have the same area. So, area of AQ's ACQ and area of APQ are equal. Okay, so the proof. So what is the proof we are going to write is, given AQ parallel to CP. AQ parallel to CP. Therefore, triangle ACQ and triangle APQ are between, these two triangles are between the same base, or between the same base AQ and between the same parallels, and between the same parallel and between the same parallel, between the same parallel AQ and CP. AQ and CP. So, both the areas are equal. Both the areas of the triangles are equal. So, therefore, area of triangle AC cube is equal to area of triangle APQ. So triangles between the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So we got these two triangles APQ. This triangle and APQ and ACQ. ACQ and APQ. So these two triangles have the same area. Now we will remove this ABQ triangle. That area is common to both the triangles. These two triangles ACQ and APQ. In these two triangles, this part is common. That is ABQ. This area is common. So we will subtract this this area, this triangular area, we will subtract it from the two triangles. Then area of ACQ minus area of ABQ. So we will subtract that ABQ area from both the triangles. So area of APQ minus area of ABQ. Area of ABQ. So we are subtracting this area from both the triangles. So what we will get when we remove this? What is the thing we will get? We will get this area, that is ACB. Area of ACB is equal to area of PBQ. So we will get area of ACB is equal to area of PBQ. So we got these two areas are equal, we get. These two areas are equal, we get. Now this area, this triangle ACB and PBQ is nothing but half of the area, half of the parallelogram ABCD. We know that a triangle, when the diagonals are connected, the parallelogram is divided into two triangles by the diagonal. Both the areas are equal. Both the areas are equal. So we will write this ACB. We will write this ACB and PBQ as half the area of ABCD parallelogram. So this ACB we are writing it as half the area of ABCD. ABCD is the parallelogram, already it is given. ABCD and PBQR is a parallelogram. So this ACB part is nothing but half the area of ABCD. Same way, this PBQ is nothing but half the area of PBQR. PBQR. So half the area of ABCD is equal to half the area of PBQR. So when we cancel this half and half the area of ABCD, we will get half ABCD. Area of ABCD is equal to half and half will get cancelled. So we will get area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. Area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. So whole area we got. When we are telling that these two areas are equal, so that those two areas is nothing but half the area of the parallelogram. Already we know that when a diagonal divides a parallelogram into two halves, both the area are equal. So area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. So that is the thing we are asked to show. We are asked to show that area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. So with the help of these proof, that is the triangle between the same base and between the same parallels, both the triangles are equal in area, and the parallelogram, when a parallelogram is divided by a diagonal, we will get two triangles that areas are equal. So with the help of these two proofs, we have derived the given thing. Okay, thank you.